Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just made a video under laser tips and tricks to show how to make a frame holder, and this is recessed. And I made a video on how to make this frame holder before, but it has a backing where it would be doubled up, where it'd be like a quarter of an inch off the wood. I wanted it real shallow. This is 1/8 inch plywood, so the nail's going to go up in there. So I thought I'd just kind of show you. I measured my wood, and I was limited to the size to 1.75 in width. So I just drew a rectangle and made it 1.75. The height of it doesn't really matter. I want it kind of cornered on the edges, so I lock my ratio and I go uphill, put a little bit of corner on it. I go up to a range and convert it to a curve. And then I'm going to take, well, also I'm going to draw in the center of the page, and I like drawing in the center of the page, and this is a good example. Then I'm going to get a indexing line. I'm going to put it in the center of the page. I'm going to grab it with my shape tool, and I'm going to grab these two nodes. I'm going to go up here and add a node. It's going to put one right in the middle, and that's exactly kind of where I want it. But I'm going to add a few more, and that's pretty good. Now, Corel always puts it at the end. You can get rid of those. It doesn't really matter in your laser, but you could delete most of them and not have any problems. But now what I did is I want that first one. Hopefully that's going to be the balance. I'm going to get my shape tool, and I'm going to select on that node. I'm going to hold the control button down, and you can see I can't go left or right. And then I'm going to grab the other one still. I had them both still selected. Click off, grab the other one. The height doesn't really matter right now. I need to unselect. Just get them kind of close. And we're just doing every other one. And remember, I said the height doesn't matter, so I'm unclicking to click off that one. But holding down the control button will get it perpendicular and be a perfect triangle. Now select all these nodes and go right here to align nodes horizontally. Now it made them all the same. And there's your frame holder. So then what I did, I took a rectangle and I want some glue in my area here. So this is going to be the area that's going to have glue on it. But then I've got a rectangle deep enough to take the nail, and then I'm going to fill it in with black. And then I'm going to cut my hanger out on a piece of plywood. But I'm going to get it off the screen. And then all I did was bring in my wood. Of course, it's not going to be proportionate because of the picture. But I centered this, and it's pretty close to center. And I just burned it away at 50 power. And also, you've got a red hairline around it, so you could leave your lid open and test that. But just run that at 50 power or 100 power, 50 speed a couple of times until you get a pretty good depth. This is going to be pretty heavy because it's going to have a metal cross on it. So I made it a little bit deeper to take a bigger nail. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.